if you compare yourself from the last 2 years now, you're in a better place now.
Oh my God, there's absolutely no comparison. I am in a much, much better place. Yeah, even when I just got back to ABS-CBN compared to then, I mean, not comparing now to then, I'm in a much better place. I feel good, not just physically, but
Nalagpasan mo, no?
nalagpasan ko. Nalagpasan ko talaga. I lost my mom, nalagpasan ko. And yung sadness, yung lahat, God is good. God is really good. And I'm with family. I am a kapamilya, and my mga kapamilya have loved me. So I feel very loved.
In spite of.
I love them naman eh.
Shall you look so good physically?
Thank you.
Talagang kitang-kita yung ang laki-laki nung nawala ng
Thank you. Ang nangyari kasi, Kuya Lar, noon pumayat ako, tapos mag-gain ako ulit. Yung rebound, mas malaki sa nawala. So, itong huli, nung pinanood ko kung nakita niyo yung sa ASAP, yung birthday presentation, yung parang portion doon na binigay sa akin. Ito lang January this year. Nung nakita ko yung part na yun, pag uwi ko sa tape, pag kita ko talaga parang, oh my God, kaya na ba ako? Parang, doon ako nauntog. And that was when I woke up. That was a real wake-up call. And I cried. I really cried. And I really made a commitment to myself. So in 9 months, I dropped over 60 pounds. Pero, kasi before I started dieting, before my birthday, I gained mga 30 na naman eh. Parang ganon. So, kaya, pag ganon-ganon lang ngayon, dahan-dahan. Hindi na katulad noon. Merong months, maglulose ako. Isang month, 3 pounds lang. Tapos the following month, 10. May ganon. Kung ano yung gusto kong kainin, I don't deprive myself. I will taste, pero I'm not even finished.